Hello, friends. I am going to apologize in advance for the quality of this video because I know it's not the best. And I know I look a hot mess, but I'm really about to go to bed. But I wanted to show you. It came. It finally came. I feel like I've waited for this thread forever. I really do feel like I've waited for this thread forever. Maybe it's because I was sick and really wanted to be in here quilting. Maybe it's because I really want to get this quilt done so that I can use it. But it is here. The thread is here. I may get on here and stitch a little bit. It really is past my bedtime. And I didn't get a big thing. I got the small one because I'm going to, I think this will be enough to get this quilt finished. And then I'm going to invest in a couple of the bundles, the larger bundles, but I just needed to get this thread so that I could get this done. I'm so ready to get it done. So I wanted to bring you along. That finesse thread is going away. Actually, I might try to, I think I may try to use it on my domestic machine and see if that machine likes it. And if it does, then I can use it for, well, I don't know. It's poly. It's not cotton. I got to think about that. I was going to say I could use it for stitching, but for actually piecing rather. But I don't know. We shall see. I got to think about that one because I only piece with 100% cotton thread. I'm not sure about piecing with poly. I could use it. Oh, I could use it on my embroidery machine. I could do that because I do use poly thread on my embroidery machine. Now let's see. But I won't be using it on my long arm again. I know that. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. I was trying to be lazy and not go through all the things. Well, I still avoided quite a few of the things. But my little knot did not hold whatsoever. Let's see. Oh, there we go. All right. All righty. Let us see. I just realized I have on the wrong glasses. So threading this is going to be interesting. We shall see just how much this magnifying glass really helps. Oh, I think it's going to help quite a bit. Yep. I got it in there on the first try. Yes. You can taste it. You can taste it. You can taste it. And you know what, guys? I'm not going to even edit that out. I'm going to leave it just as it is. I have a green juice in there that I made, and my grandson has been eyeing it um, since this morning, and I thought he got some. I like it. You can have some. Can you put some in my water bottle? I'm really not going to edit any of this out. In a minute. I am not going to edit it out one bit. Well, that felt good. I think I can go to bed now. Um, and I'm actually going to stop right there instead of stopping on the end, because as I advance it, I'm going to come down and fill this part in and then swoop back around. So it doesn't look like I'm going, row by row, but it kind of looks purposefully done, which it will be. But just not your typical straight row kind of quilting. That felt amazing. It felt good to get back on her. I appreciate this thread. And like, seriously, no thread breaks. You guys saw it for yourself. You didn't get to see the quilting, you just got to see me, and I apologize for that. But there were no thread breaks whatsoever. And let me clip my threads here. That felt really, really good. Someone in one of the comments previously on one of my other videos said something about the muscle memory. And let me tell you, now that I feel the muscle memory, it is true. And it's a pretty good feeling. I'm cutting threads. It's a pretty good feeling, that muscle memory. It's like I'm not so tense trying to make those loops, and I'm not so totally focused on them being precisely round. Like, have a couple or two that look like little balloons, and I'm okay with that. For the most part, my circles are pretty good, and that felt good. It feels good to look at it and see that. I'm not quite sure why my grandchildren are not in the bed. I'll be out in a minute. I'm not quite sure why they're not in the bed. I'll be in there in a minute. My apologies. I am still recovering from the flu. Um, that last little bit residual cough and such, and the fatigue. I am exhausted. I did go to work today, and my body is exhausted, so I'm gonna cut this short. But I had to show you that the thread is here, and I had to get on. I just had to feel the machine in my hands. Um, yeah, I am thoroughly, thoroughly excited. So tomorrow when I come in, I don't have to do dinner because I made a huge pot of chana masala, and I made a huge salad. So I don't have to worry about dinner tomorrow. I just have to heat it up and serve it. And then I can get to come in here and play. My goal is to come in here tomorrow, Lord willing, and do at least 2 passes. And if I can do 2 passes a day, this quilt should be finished by the weekend and ready to be bound and the label put on. That is my goal. I will keep you posted, of course. But I may bring you along for tomorrow's session. Let me know in the comment section if you're even interested in seeing how that goes. And if so, I'll bring you along. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I apologize for missing a couple of days, but I really did need to take some days and just rest and do nothing. I did sit for a little bit and do some hand stitching, which if you've looked at the post, you've seen a few pictures of that. But I really did just need to focus on resting. And I'm glad I did. I feel a lot better. All right. Take care, guys. I will see you sooner rather than later. God bless. Bye.